Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Zipsa, my dear students. And today, what we are going to learn, I hope you all remember. Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 12. Which chapter we are going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 12, handling a data. Which chapter we are going to learn, all my dear students? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 12, handling the data. Understood, all my dear students, what I am telling you? So before starting of chapter number 12, let's check today's quote. So now, my dear students, I am going to present here today's quote. So let's check, my dear all students, what is the today's quote, and then we will going to start our session. So now see, and I hope you all remember this quote. Mistakes are proof. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. What, my dear all students? Mistakes are proof that you are trying. What I am telling you, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Mistakes are proof that you are, means that we are trying. Got my points, all my dear all students? So now let's check our what is the name of our chapter. Chapter number 12, handling a data. What, my dear students? Chapter number 12, handling a data. Understood, all of you, what I am telling you? So today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 12, handling the data. In handling the data, we are going to learn further a pictogram. In pictogram, we have done two example, and today we are going to learn example number 3. So before starting anything, my dear students, I am telling you here, take out your books, rough book, take out your pen, and then we will going to start our session. Got my points, all dear? You have to note down all things in your book: name of the chapter and subject name and number of the chapter, and then after we will move on further, all dear. So I hope you all are took a book or pen. What I am telling you, you are going to use the all equipment. So my dear students, now I am going to present here tomorrow's incomplete topic. So what is the tomorrow's incomplete topic, all my dear? So my dear all students, let's check today's, as per I was told you, what we are going to learn: pictogram. In pictogram, we are going to learn exercise number 11, exercise number 12A. Got my points, all dear students? See. So let's check exercise number 12A, my dear students. In exercise number 12A, what we are going to learn, my dear all students? In exercise number A, we are going to learn a question number first. Got my point? So now I'm going to present here. So let's check a question number 1. What is the question number 1? Exercise number 12A, question number 1. Got my points, all dear? First is what, all dear? First is here list of things. So let's check the first question number. This is a list of the different ways. What all here? This is a list of the different ways the four friends spend their time on their train journey during the vacation. Means what all here? Four friends are there and they all are going to on vacation during the vacation on a train. Okay, so there's a list of a different ways the four friends spend their time on their train journeys during the vacation. My point, all of you, what I'm telling you? So we are going to learn that all topics. Got my points, all of you? We are going to learn that all topic, all of you. So let's check. Again, I am repeat for you. This a list. This is a list of the different way. Means what? Different way. The four friends. How many friends are there? Four friends are there. Spend their time. They all are spent the time on their train. They all are spent the time on a train journey during the vacation. Means we are going to check this table. So let's check this table, all my dear. Got my points, all of you? See here. So let's check. I'm going to telling you all things here, all my dear. See, reading, chatting, listening to music, sleeping, and total journey time. How many events are there? Reading. They all are spend the time into reading, chatting, listening to music, and my dear students, sleeping. Four events are, four things are there, and four friends are there, and then after we are going to do the total journey time. So first is, let's check the what is the name of the friends. So first is Guddu, Bittu, Appu, and Dino. They all are friends, and they all are going to on a vacation. And what we are going to check here, we are going to check they all are spend the time in their journey. Okay, all dear students, what we do that time, what we are going to do, what we are going to take here. The first of all, let's check the title. What is the title of these things? It's title of what? Vacation journey. What, my dear students? Vacation journey. Understood all? And here we are going to take the what, all dear students? Here we are going to take the total journey time. Okay, so first of all we are going to do the addition, and then after we will going to solve the answer. First of all I am going to explain you all things. Okay, Guddu is the name of boy, and he is spent to reading a 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour he is going to be a spend a 1 hour to reading. How many time, how much time he spent to reading? He spent a 1 hour to reading. Okay, Guddu spend 1 hour to reading. Same things, my dear students. Guddu 2 hours spent in chatting. Okay, CHATTING, chatting. Guddu spent 2 hours in a chatting. Understood? And again further, Guddu spent 2 hours to listening to music. But my point, all students, and Guddu spent 8 hours to sleeping. Got my point? So these all important things you are going to be understood. Okay. So again I am going to repeat for you all. Guddu spent a 1 hour to reading. Guddu spent 2 hours to chatting. Guddu spent 2 hours to listening to music, and Guddu spent 8 hours to sleeping. So now here we are going to do the addition here. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. How many hours, my dear students? 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2, 12, and 12 plus 1 is equal to 30. So answer is what? 13 hours. Got my points, all of you? 13 hours. So now 13 hours. You are going to write the answer here. First of all, you write the answer, all dear students. I'll give you time, and then we will move on further. So now further we will move on. Second is what? Bittu. 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 Bittu is spend a 2 hour in reading. Bittu spent 2 hours to reading. See, Bittu spent 2 hours to reading. Further, let's check further. Bittu spent 2 hours to chatting. How many hours he spent to chatting? 2 hours. How many hours? He spent 2 hours for chatting. Chatting. Got my points all here. And B2 spent 1 hour to listening to music. B2 spent 1 hour to listening to music. Got my points all here. So you are so first of all you note the all things one by one all here, and then last is what sleeping. B2 spent 8 hours to sleeping. 8 hours to sleeping, my dear all students. And then after we will do the addition here, means we are going to check the what is the total journey time. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 hours. Sleeping and listening music. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 hours. My point, 9 plus 2, 10 or 11, and 11 plus 2. How many? 12 and 30. Got my points? Again I am going to repeat for you. 8 hours to sleeping, then listening to music 1 hour, 1 hour to listening to music, and then after chatting for 2 hours and reading for 2 hours. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to, sorry, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, and 11 plus 2 is equal to 30. What my points all dear? 11 plus 2 is equal to 30. So now answer is what? 1, 3, 13 hours. Got my points, all of you, my dear students. What I am telling you, this is all important things we are going to write here in the answer. Total journey of box. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood all here. Okay, and then after Appu. So now let's check the Appu's in which event they spent the time, my dear students. So Appu spent 2 hours for a reading. Appu spent 2 hours for a reading. Then after Appu spent 1 hour for a chatting. Appu spent 1 hour for a chatting, and then after Appu is not spending any specific hour to listening to music. Means he is not interested to listening music. Got my points all dear? And then after last is ninth is what? Sleeping. So Appu spent 9 hours to sleeping. Appu spent 9 hours to sleeping. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you? Appu spent 9 hours to sleeping. Got my points, all of you? Appu spent 9 hours to sleeping. And then after we are going to do the count the total journey time. What, my dear students? Then we are going to write the total journey time. So 9 hours plus 1 hour is equal to 10 hours. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So answer is what? Total journey time of what? 12 hours. Total journey time of 12 hours. Appu's total journey time is what? 12 hours. What my points, all of you? What I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all my dear all students. And then after Dino, they all are friends. Dino spent 3 hours for reading. Dino spent 3 hours for reading. Dino spent 3 hours for reading. Then further, Dino spent 2 hours for chatting. Dino spent 2 hours chatting. And Dino spent 3 hours for listening to music. What, my dear students? Dino spent 3 hours to listening to music. Then after the sleeping, Dino spent 7 hours to sleeping. What, my dear students? Dino spent 7 hours to sleeping. So 7 plus 3. Now what we have to do? We have to do here the count the total time of journey. Understood all? So, my dear all students, 7 hours plus 3 hours is equal to 10 hours. Got my point? 7 hours is equal to 3 hours. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. How many, my dear students? 12. 12 plus 3 means 15. 15 hours. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? So, Dino spent a total journey time of 15 hours. How much hours, my dear students? 1 5 15 hours. So, let's check, my dear students. Now, fill in the total column and fill in the blank. Means what? We have to fill this column. Means this column we have done. Total a journey of time we have a. Then see here this image, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. I hope you all are understood all dear what I am telling you here. See, this is image. This image shows they all are friends in a train and they all are spend the time in reading, chatting, listening to music and sleeping. Got my points? And total journey time is 13 hours. For Guddu's journey time is a 13 hours. Bitto's journey time is a 13 hours. Apu's journey time is a 12 hours. And Dino's journey time is a 15 hours. Got my points, all of you. So now let's check. We are going to check one by one all question answer. Understood, all of you? So let's check all things, all my dear all students. So first is dash slept the most. Slept the most means who was spend the most time to sleeping. So let's check the hours of the sleeping. So only what we are going to check? Only we are going to check the column of sleeping. So see, this is a sleeping. And most time is highest hours we are going to mention here. Okay, 8 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, and 7 hours. So which is a big digit? Which is a big thing? 9 hours. 9 hours. Got my points? 9 hours. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So 9 hours. So now we are going to write the answer 9 hours. Understood all? So note down the answer all dear in your book. Do fast. 9 hours sleep the most. But who? Okay, who spent 9 hours to sleeping? Got my points all dear. You have to note down these things in your book all dear students. Okay, only answer is what? 9 hours slept the most. Okay, but here is what? Here we write the answer is here and who will spend the time? Appu. So now I am write the answer Appu. Appu slept the most. But how much already? Appu spent 9 hours for sleeping. Here is Appu and 9 hours. Let's check a second FB. Dash had the longest train journey. Means of a four friend, which is the biggest journey? Okay, so let's check the total time journey. Total journey time. So 13 hours, 13 hours, 12 hours, and 15 hours. Got my points all here. So, D knows 15 hours. So, first of all, write a what? Dino. Dino had the longest range journey. How much? 15 hours. This is for knowledge. No need to write this answer. Only this write the name. Apus slept the most. Dino had the longest range journey, 15 hours. But my point, Dino's journey was a dash hours longer than Apu's. So see here, what we are going to check Apu's journey and Dino's journey. Okay, so 15 and 12. 15 and 12. 12 hours and Dino's journey time is a 15 hours. So what we have to mention, we have to longer than. Okay, Dino's journey was a longer than Apu's. But how many hours? So 15 minus 3 means 30, 40 and 15 means total there are 3 hours. How many hours? 3 hours. So answer is what? 3 hours long than Apu's. So all my dear students, Dino's journey, note down the answer first all. Dino's journey was 3 hours longer than Appu's. Got my points? Dino's journey was 3 hours longer than Appu's journey. Dash and Dash had an equally long train journey. So means a same equal journey means same means same means what? They all are number of hours, number of the total journey time are same of both friends. So see here 12, 15, 13, 30. 13, 13 both are same, but which friends Guddu and Bittos had equally long train journeys? So Guddu first, answer is first is what? Guddu, and then second is what? Second is Bittu. So Guddu and Bitto had equally long train journeys. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so note down the answer all dear, do fast. And then after we will going to move on further all dear. And our dear students, now we will go into new topic is what? Bar graph. Pictograph we have done, and here is the bar graph. Okay, now just only I am give here small introductions of bar graph, and this full things full of details of bar graph we are going to learn in next lecture. Got my point? Here is the same topic of the nature walk. So let's check. The nature walk also made a listen of the sound they heard on their nature walk. The list shows the number of the students who heard these different sounds, and it's a pictogram. A nature walkers also made a list of the sound. What my dear students? A nature walkers also made a list of the sounds they heard on their nature walk. The list shows that a number of students who heard this a different sound, and it's a pictogram. Got my points? All of you, what I am telling you here, we are going to write these all things in your book. Do fast, and then we will move on further. So here is bar graph, and bar graph as a form of this type. Okay, same thing, same point of the pictograph and bar graph, but some is what? Different things. Here is not any symbol or pictures are present. Okay, here is the bar form, it's called a bar. Okay, so again my dear students, a full explanation of bar graph I am going to share with you in next lecture. Understood all my dear students? And compulsory you have to note down the answer of exercise number 12a, question number 1 we have done today. Got my points? I hope you all are understood what I am telling you, my dear students. So compulsory, my dear students, you have to write all things in your book. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And thank you so much, dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all.